AirelXL Installation Instructions. Clean surface with alcohol. Make sure you have a clean, dry surface area. Measure placement of the number. Use tape on all sides for perfect placement. Using a marker or pen, mark the hole placement for the wire entry. Drill a 3/16 inch hole. Place the grommet in the hole. Thread the wire through the hole. Carefully remove the backing from the number and adhere onto your surface, starting from the top and working your way down. Press down firmly on the number to seal. Wire to a 12-volt power source. For more information, visit our website at www.ARELXL.com or call us at 855-700-0125.